Welcome guys to a new video. In this one we have a question about the box plot. So let's have a look. A research student weighed lizard eggs in grams and recorded the results. The following box and whisker diagram shows a summary of the results where L and U are the lower and upper quartiles respectively. You can see them over here. The interquartile range is 20 grams and there are no outliers in the results. Question A. Find the minimum possible value of U. U is the upper quartile. So let's use some relevant information from here, which is interquartile range equals to 20. This is the difference between Q3 and Q1, and the third quartile and first quartile in our case are U minus L. So in other words, we can say that U minus L equals to 20, U equals to 20 plus L. We'll be using this later. Find the minimum possible value for U. Now we have to use some other information, and I will show you which. No outliers. There's a reason I circled it. It's because it's relevant information. So here's how you want to think about it. Outliers are satisfying a criteria, a requirement. 75 is the highest value. If, however, 75 was an outlier, it should exceed the threshold for outliers, which in this case would be the upper quartile U plus 1.5 times the IQR, which is 20. This is the formula for the threshold for having an outlier. However, what does the question say? It says there are no outliers. So because there are no outliers, 75 must be less than or equal to U plus 1.5 times 20. If we have no outliers, literally the threshold now is not satisfied, so the sign gets reversed. I hope you're making sense of this. And then we keep solving. So we have the following: 75 must be less than or equal to U plus 1.5 times 20, which is 30. Subtract 30 from each side, we will have less than or equal to U. Or in other words, U is greater than or equal to 45. The question is, what's the minimum possible value for U? So we know that U at the very least has to be 45. That's exactly the answer. U equals to 45 as the minimum possible value. Hope you're making sense of this. Question B. Hence find the minimum possible value of L. Well, since we found the value for U, and in the beginning of the question we established U to be 20 plus L, we can just use this and say 45 for U equals 20 plus L, meaning L equals 45 minus 20, which is equal to 25. And this way we answer both U and L. This is it. Hope this all makes sense. We are done. If you like the video, please drop it a like. If you follow AA standard level, make sure to subscribe. It's gonna help you later on. See you in the next one. Bye.